Hello, all the students. This actually I'm going live today because tomorrow is the business paper, the AS paper. Not in Pakistan, of course. It is in some other regions, for example, Saudi Arabia. And I thought that the recent workshop which I had attended like 3 4 days back, I'll give you a few tips to the students who are appearing for the AS Business Paper 1 tomorrow. All the best for them. The thing which I want to discuss with the students about business paper, that your marks in application analysis is extremely important. Uh, Today I will be talking about application only. How to improve your application in business case studies or in questions like in paper one we have AS level where you have to analyze and give your own opinion. So you give the basic theory, that is knowledge based analysis. You are going to give you know try to work out what the question is all about, and then in the third step you will be having applications, and application marks are really important. So in the AS business, the questions, let's say a 12 mark question, in that case the application marks will be extremely important for you. Remember a simple word for application, and that word is steps. STEPS, steps. What is the meaning of steps? Whenever you write down the application, follow this word steps. S stands for the stakeholders. It means that whatever problem is given to you, see what are the stakeholders related to that concept or that business activity. Who are the stakeholders? Second alphabet is T in steps. T is text. Text means go back to the case study, see what is given over there, what the examiner is asking, what the business situation is given to you. That is text. You have to explain it. Third step is E in steps. E is external environment. External environment. It means that in that business activity or production activity, how the external environment will be influenced by it, or the external factor will influence this business activity. So that is the third point. The fourth alphabet is P in steps. P. P means products and services provided by that production activity or economic activity we are talking about. Talk about the product itself, whether it is uh, whether there are chances that there is a growth in the sales related to that product. What are the possibilities of having losses? Everything related to product and services you are going to mention over there. And the last one is S in steps, and that is basically size. Size means whether the business firm is a big one or a small one. So according to that there will be limitations. You know that there are advantages and disadvantages related to bigger firms, and there are advantages and disadvantages related to the smaller firms. So what did I tell you? In application, in order to get good marks in application in business, either in O levels or in A levels, whatever the paper is, uh, remember the term steps. STEPS. And when you review this video again, I've explained each one of them. Hello to Hassan and Anishba, Hamza, and Ali. Thank you. So best wishes for the students who are appearing for the ES level in Saudi and not in Pakistan. Don't worry about it. The paper tomorrow. Thank you.